In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use format background in Word step by step so you can quickly change the look of your page and choose the grid lines or background style that works best for your document. This is a simple feature, but it can be really useful when you want better alignment, cleaner layouts, or a more organized working space while editing in Word. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Word tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, look at the top ribbon and click on the Draw tab. The Draw tab is where you'll find tools related to sketching, inking, and some page background options that can help change how your workspace appears. After you click the Draw tab, look for the Format Background dropdown. Depending on your version of Word, this option may appear in the toolbar or in a related menu under Background Settings. Click the dropdown to open the available choices. Now you'll see different background or grid line options. From here, select the desired grid lines or background style that you want to use. If you want a more structured layout, grid lines can help guide your placement. If you want a cleaner visual appearance, you can choose a simpler background setting instead. Once you select the option you want, Word will apply it right away. Take a moment to look at your page and see how it affects your view. If the setting is not exactly what you want, you can always go back and choose a different option until it looks right. This is especially helpful if you're working on a document where spacing, alignment, or layout matters. It can make it easier to position text, shapes, or other elements more accurately while you work. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to use Format Background in Word by going to the Draw tab, opening the Format Background dropdown, and selecting the grid lines or background style you need. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you work inside Word. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.